In today's connected world, products and services are offered online for purchase with only a few clicks. Auto repair shops, however, rely on systems from a bygone era to know when a vehicle needs service, parts and repair required, and what price to quote. VOYOLink is a groundbreaking new service that connects customer vehicles directly to shop management systems. Shops can investigate problems and schedule service remotely. VOYO devices send scan tool level diagnostics to shops through VOYOLink in real time. Work orders open automatically in your SMS and include trouble codes, odometer, vehicle model, and customer information. Other alerts include check engine light, oil life, predicted battery failure, and tire issues. Enrolling a shop in VOYOLink takes 5 minutes. Customers can then connect their vehicles to your shop with a single click on our website. VOYO devices are sold online, removing the need to manage inventory. They are self-installed by customers and come with a mobile app. VOYOLink improves turnaround time, increases customer satisfaction, and boosts shop revenue. Sign up to VOYOLink today to turn your shop into a connected shop.